With Param Kripaladev's grace and Pujya Gurudev's compassionate guidance, the children of Srimad Rajchandra Gurukul and Srimad Rajchandra Divine Touch prove that they are never too young to be sevaks. Let's have a look at this gratifying victory in the Design for Change Challenge. The challenge is a global movement designed to give children opportunity to express their ideas for a better world and put them into action. It has reached more than 25 million young ones in over 30 countries, making it the largest movement of change where the children use creative ways like hold painting exhibitions, sell rakhis, sell newspapers and many more unique initiatives to raise funds to support their cause. In 2011, SRD entered 30 projects in the DFC School Challenge, of which 4 won special honours. In 2011, a project was undertaken by SRD Matunga, which deserves a special mention. Participating children raised funds to purchase 6 hearing aids, 40 rechargeable batteries and 3 chargers for students of the LTMG Hospital School for the Deaf and won a spot in the top 20 of the contest last year. This project was also selected to take part in the I Can book by Design for Change. Amar Chitrakatha published an entire book called I Can, Stories of How Children Are Changing Their World. This book features the top 20 DFC stories of change from different countries. On 2nd December 2012, for the inauguration of the I Can book, children were also given the opportunity to interact with celebrated actor and social activist Rahul Bose. The experience infused satisfaction and confidence in the hearts of the SRD children, and they eagerly awaited the challenge of 2012. This year saw SRG and SRD entering 25 projects, 9 of which featured among the top 75 of 700 submissions. SRG's first winning project tackled the serious issue of suicide. The participants performed street plays, stressing that suicide is not a solution, but in fact, a cause for many additional problems. The second project addressed the concern of scarcity of water in the girls' hostel. Through their research, they discovered that a single dripping tap wastes up to 100 ml of water in 1 minute. Shaken by this realization, they developed a model to conserve water and shared this amongst other students. SRD Mulund also won 2 awards. One for distributing rain gear to shelter street dwellers from the torrential monsoon rains. The second for donating rupees 50,000 to a cancer patient for the final 2 chemotherapy sessions of a 2.5-year-old patient whose family survived below the poverty line. SRD Ujis Road's winning entry involved raising funds to fulfill the wishes of 38 cancer patients. The children were able to liven the dull atmosphere by donating items such as toys, games and electronics, which could be used when the children waited for their treatments, to thus divert them from the fear, pain and boredom to fun, laughter and enjoyment. Meanwhile, SRD Ghatkopar won hearts redecorating the pediatric ward of Rajawadi Hospital. The children devised a plan to uplift the environment of the pediatric ward, from donating colourful bed sheets to creating a toy bank and a sticker wall. Children embarked on a journey to raise money for this noble cause and raising funds to install a water purifier there. The children of SRD Vashi were won accolades for their aim to avoid wastage of medicine and to extend their love towards the underprivileged. The children decided to collect medicine from their homes, neighbours and other buildings in the society and donate them, thus making the proper use of medicine for the benefit of the underprivileged. Meanwhile, SRD Matunga beautified LTMG Hospital School for the Deaf and held a fun-filled mela there. They thought of making the school livelier. The children beautified the area by painting on the walls. A fun-filled mela was organized where different sets of games were organized.
We are the chosen ones, being there for everyone. Let's cheer our tradition, and together at the end of the day, we all say, when we're together, we are much stronger. Legends and aces, comrades and pioneers. Together stronger, together stronger, together stronger. Friends with all, admire to achieve. We love when we care. Together stronger, together stronger, together stronger.
The 2012 DFC contributions from SRG and SRD saw over 4,000 lives touched throughout all the projects and over rupees 1,70,750 raised. Some of the projects even received positive media coverage. Such innovative, selfless initiatives by these little ones certainly command our respect. Their deeds have been of help to hundreds of lives and a source of inspiration for thousands of others. We offer our gratitude to Param Kripalu Dev and Pujya Shri Gurudev for making this possible.